In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit services on Fresha. If you're managing your business through Fresha, keeping your services updated is crucial to ensure that your offerings are accurately reflected for clients. So, let's walk through the steps to easily edit your services. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Fresha website. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to your Fresha account. It's important to make sure you're entering your credentials safely, so double-check that your login information is correct to avoid any issues. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Catalog section. This can typically be found on the main menu to the side of your screen. The catalog is the hub where all your business offerings are organized. It's where you can add new services, manage existing ones, and make sure everything is perfectly tailored to your business's needs. Now, within the catalog, click the Services menu. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all the services that your business currently provides. If you have many services, you might need to scroll through to find the specific one you want to edit. After locating the service you wish to modify, you'll notice a 3 dots icon next to it. Clicking on these dots reveals a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Edit. This will open the editing interface for the service you chose. Now you can update the service information. Feel free to adjust details such as the service name, description, price, or any other specifics that need updating. This part is crucial as it ensures clients have the most current information regarding what your business offers. Take a moment to review any text changes or pricing adjustments to ensure they're correct and reflective of what you want to offer. Finally, make sure to click Save. Saving your changes ensures that the updated information is applied to your business profile. This step is vital, as failing to save would mean your edits won't take effect and your clients won't see the new details. By following these steps, you'll have seamlessly updated your services on Fresha, ensuring that your offerings are accurately presented to your clients. Keeping your service details up to date not only enhances client trust, but also contributes to smoother day-to-day operations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business effectively.